My girls, welcome back to the Lean Girl YouTube channel and the Lean Girl kitchen, which is looking a little different, right? So Galan and I have actually been redoing our house. So the kitchen was one of the places that I wanted to change. You may notice that you're now seeing the top of my head, which you never did before. When our kitchen, we had like kitchen cupboards over here that were blocking everything. So I'm so excited to be filming in my new kitchen. It is not done yet, so don't worry. I'm gonna do a little YouTube video for you guys on the whole home reno because it's gonna look amazing. I'm really, really excited. Like the rest of the house, if you're wondering why it's super echoey, it's because there's not a thing in the house. But it doesn't matter because why are we making Lean Girl chocolate protein ice cream? Yes, please. Now you're probably thinking, Angie, all about getting lean, how are you eating ice cream? I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you how to eat or make a giant bowl of protein ice cream that is so freaking delicious, and it is like less than a quarter of the calories of your regular ice cream. So if you had to eat this same amount of ice cream and in a regular ice cream, you would be eating close to 1,000 calories, okay? This bowl of protein ice cream, which is also packed with 25 grams of protein, it's only 180 calories for the entire bowl, and if you add on all the toppings, it'll be 280. So you can decide on whether you have some calories to spare or not. And as I said, 25 grams of protein and 30 grams of protein if you add the protein bar in. And it takes takes less than 5 minutes to make. So I'm gonna show you guys how to make this super quick and easy. You probably have most of the ingredients, and then we are gonna do a good old taste test. So check it out. Okay, so I'm starting off with 1.5 trays of ice, and I'm actually using a new blender today. I'm trying out this DNA Brands blender. It's really nice and powerful and also has nice volume. I'm then adding a splash of almond milk. This is the unsweetened almond breeze, just a dash. You don't want to put too much, otherwise you're going to get a really soft ice cream. The protein powder I'm going to be using today is the Casein protein powder by NPL. It has a really nice, rich, chocolatey flavor, which is why I like this. So I'm going for 1 serving, which is 30 grams of that. Then I have 2 options here. You can use Skinny Hot Chocolate, or you can use the Simply Delish sugar-free jelly powder or instant pudding powder, and I'm actually going to do 1 teaspoon of each, but if you only have 1, you can do 2 teaspoons of the one or 2 teaspoons of the other. I'm then going to sweeten it up with my favorite Canderel. I'm using 3 sachets of sweetener. It is ice cream after all. And then our secret ingredient to make the texture really nice and soft servy is Xanam gum. You can also use guar gum. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of that. And then last but not least, I'm adding a little touch of pancake syrup, which also just adds to the texture and sweetness, but absolutely not necessary. And then you want to give it a good old blend. And you may need to shake it now and again to just get it going, because you actually need to just sort of judge the texture as you're adding the milk in and see whether you can get it going. The trick for me is to really try and add as little liquid as possible, but still manage to get the ice moving and the blender going. So as you can see here, I'm just adding a little bit at a time of milk, and depending on what blender you're using and depending on what the texture is looking like, you can still get it going. Of course, be sure not to damage your blender as you go, but like this one is pretty powerful, so it is able to blend ice. You may just have to also move things around to make sure that the ice is not getting a bit blocked up or stuck there at the bottom. I actually decided to finish it off in my NutriBullet because I really wanted to get those bottom pieces that were getting a little bit stuck, and that actually worked really well. And here you can see how glorious the texture is. It really is like a soft serve ice cream, and I must say that the flavor is pretty on point too. So I added on a crushed Oreo biscuit and a few pieces of my favorite protein bar, which is the Grenade peanut butter. Okay, my girls, so here is our glorious giant bowl. The only thing that I eat is giant things. Giant bowl of protein ice cream, and this texture is honestly phenomenal. Like, you can actually put it into the freezer if you like, and it will stay pretty much frozen. So if you don't want to eat the whole portion, you can absolutely pop it into the freezer. I mean, this texture is literally, it's like a soft serve if you leave it to melt a little bit. Otherwise, it is genuinely like ice cream. I'm gonna do a taste test. There's something about there being like bits and little pieces of protein bar and little bits of biscuit that just rock my world. It is so good. Babe, do you want to try?
I do want to try.
Okay, we're gonna give the cameraman his lunch. It's really good. It's really chocolatey.
Really?
And you guys could basically go wild with your own toppings. You could go crazy with your own flavor combinations. Just use the base recipe. Add whatever protein powder you like. Add all of your goodies. And you can eat protein and get lean. Give me a woo-hoo in the comments if you're all about the lean girl ice cream. Okay guys, I hope that you enjoyed making this. Don't forget that you can find this recipe plus all my others inside my Lean Girl Kitchen Coach. That is the ultimate Lean Girl recipe hub and meal planning tool that is going to take all the guesswork out of your meals for fat loss. I want to show you girls how you can still eat all of the incredible, delicious, tasty food and reach those lean bod goals. So if you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment. I love to hear from you guys. I read and reply to all of them. So give me a hey, let me know what recipes you want to see next. Let me know what your favorite indulgent meal is that you would love me to give a Lean Girl meal makeover to, because I'm going to be coming right at you with those new recipes. So that's it from now, for now, and I will see you guys here for the next video.